I showed you my grocery haul earlier, and guess what? I forget to include 1 dozen bottle of water that was included in the 85 USD that I spent at the supermarket. Can see that? Even condensed milk, I opened that this morning. That's included as well. Please comment and let me know if you think this grocery haul, everything on this table, including the bottled waters, worth 85 USD. Stay tuned for much, much more. One love. Be strong.
For the flight today, thank you for choosing the service of Arajet. Bye, buon arrivo.
We're about to go to another country.
Se encontraste tu asiento, por favor, da un paso al costado mientras te acomodas para liberar el pasillo y permitir a los demás pasajeros continuar con el embarque. Gracias. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as you find your seat, please step away from the aisle to let the other passengers continue with the boarding. Thank you.
See something?
Something.
Hi.
Stay tuned for much, much more. Some already. Brunswick sardine, soursop, papaya. I actually bought 2. Another one is right here, very large one. Green banana, bacon. It was 2. I used 1 earlier. Rice, cheese, vinegar. As you can see. Red onion, paper towel, cornflakes, about 2 breads, cooking oil, plantain. It was about a dozen, and I've used some already. Ripe banana. It was like 2 sets of these, but I used some already. Juice. Just comment and tell me what do you think. Shopping haul, grocery haul to be specific, in the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo to be exact, in the Bravo supermarket. And my bill came to 85 USD. And this is a 5-pound rice, bag of rice. That's how they sell it. Also avocado. Please comment and let me know. Cocoa. Eggs. My shopping haul, 85 USD. Fish. 2 2-pound package. Chicken. 2 packages. Stay tuned for much, much more, because we will sharing our experience here in the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, the capital in particular, and anywhere else we will be visiting. Have a wonderful morning, a wonderful afternoon, and a wonderful night, anywhere you're at in the world. Peace.